chill, she's driving, but I can show. So today it's 25th July 2021 and we've planned this. It's been long, we are in home. Not very long, I'll say 2 weeks. So we planned this one-day trip from Hyderabad. We are going to Mallelatheertham Waterfall. So it's 6:40 now and we are in Begumpet. The waterfall is like 147 kilometers from Hyderabad. So it will be a 4 hours drive from Hyderabad. And yeah, so I'll keep you guys posted once we reach there with everything.
Turn right
Yeah.
onto Inner Ring Road.
For now, bye. Hey guys, we just crossed Kadtal Toll Plaza. Correct, right? Yeah, so we crossed Kadtal Toll Plaza and the weather is very pleasant and the roads are well maintained. Like if you're coming from Hyderabad, I don't think with roads you'll not have any problem. There are no potholes. It's clean and well maintained and we are really enjoying this drive. Like it's really nice. Let me ask my friends also. Guys, what are your thoughts?
So you already mentioned like roads are good, right?
Yes.
So obviously it is good and even the weather is good. It's not raining, but it's not even sunny. So
It's very pleasant.
yeah, it's pleasant.
So for now, that's the update. We didn't take a halt yet. And yeah, I'll update you when we take a halt. And yes, for now, bye. Mallelatheertham Waterfalls. So there was one village called Mallapur. From there we left and it was 8 kilometers touch a road from there. Once we reached the place, we have restrooms to change clothes and also here they have parking charges of 20 rupees. There are 400 steps. So we should, they are 400, be ready, be prepared for 400 to, get to for 400 steps. We'll keep you updated.
Ships are launching
names, but most do not. If you find one, please let me know what piece I've lost. Heal the scars from off my back. I don't need them anymore. You can throw them out. Keep them in your mason jars. I've come all my nightmares escape my head. Bar the door, please don't let them in. You were never supposed to leave. Now my head's splitting at the seams.
So, while we were getting down, it was quite easy sitting. But Chennai में finished this waterfall, and I was telling that 400 steps here. That was true. There are 400 steps. When you get down, you don't realize that. When you're coming up, you do realize that there are 400 steps. So still I recommend Mallelatheertham Waterfall. Please do come visit. It's beautiful. Before coming here, 2 days, please practice this. I don't have any energy more. I'm done with the energy. We'll meet you in Octopus Point. The Mallelatheertham Waterfall. It's a half an hour drive from there to Octopus Viewpoint. This is the entry of Octopus Viewpoint. If you have a two-wheeler, then it is 20 rupees per head, and per head 10 rupees, and if you have four-wheeler, then it is 50 rupees and 10 rupees per head. So this is the entry of Octopus Viewpoint, and once we reach the viewpoint, we'll show you the viewpoint. Stay tuned. Bye. Hey guys, so this is the road. We've entered into that Octopus Viewpoint, and luckily they said that we can take our car, so yeah, no need to walk. And the road is you can see the road, it's very okay.
You cannot walk, you have to go in the car.
Yeah, you cannot walk. I mean,
And also 3 cars at a time.
yeah, like only 3 cars are allowed at, like, not more than 3 cars, no, at one go. Yeah, only 3 cars. And we are lucky that we didn't have like much weight. As you can see, like with one car, there's only space for one car to pass. So you should be very careful when you are,
Yeah, I'll come with an experienced driver.
yes, please. That's like very important thing. We are very lucky to have Rachel, and really lucky, blessed and everything. But if you're coming here, please come with someone who's really experienced and who knows how to drive, and it's not their first time. Maybe the one person who kind of. Yeah, I'll show you the viewpoint once. I think we already reached. I'll show you. Octopus viewpoint. I thought there would be nothing, it would be a normal viewpoint, but it's very pretty. See, in the background he must be showing. So it's very, very, very pretty. Do not miss it. So guys, this is Octopus viewpoint. It's very pretty. If you are visiting Mallelatheertham waterfall, do visit this place also. You can see how pretty this is. You can see how pretty this is. Don't, it's very underrated. Don't skip it because you don't have time. I don't think it will take much time. Just visit this beautiful place. It's very pretty. I think that's how the name derived, Octopus viewpoint. This green river and everything is very pretty.
Keep them in your mason jars. I've come
Mallelatheertham Waterfall, Octopus viewpoint and Dam. I hope you really like these places, and I would really suggest anybody who stays near Hyderabad to visit all these three places. They are very pretty and like, very near to Hyderabad, and for one day trip I think